Okay guys, I'm making this video for those of you who either did a tire rotation or a flat repair or any work that had to do with adjusting tire pressure on a 2017 or newer Honda CRV. In this case, I'm just doing it to show you guys. If you guys have that lower bottom left exclamation mark saying your tire pressure is low, and or you had a tire rotation done on your oil change, it's gonna come out telling you to recalibrate, or it's warning you that you have a low tire pressure. So this happened to me a while back. I did an oil change on my CRV here, and I was 30 minutes driving after I had done that, and it warned me I had a tire pressure. I checked my tire pressure, everything was fine, and it turns out that I just didn't calibrate it. So how you calibrate your tire pressure sensor, you want to go to your other screen here, you want to go to info, oh sorry, ignore that, you want to go to settings, you want to go to vehicle settings, and then you want to scroll down till it says maintenance info. Select reset, and what we're going to reset this time, like I said, the light will come on for your tire rotation, or if you had a nail, you got it fixed and you drive off, it'll stay on until you do this. So you go to tire rotation, you go to reset. Oh, sorry, that was for your tire rotation. I made a mistake there. You want to go to TPMS calibration. You go to that, then you want to click calibrate. With these 2017 or newer CRVs, they don't have tire pressure sensors. They have another way of calibrating, checking your tire pressure. So you have to calibrate it anytime you do a tire rotation or fix a flat tire or adjust your tire pressure. And that should clear your lights. You guys should be all set. Thank you.